Hello YouTube, it's Friday, almost 4 o'clock on May the 24th. I just dropped the emergency service, so today is my first day of freedom. But the guy who was on call right now, he got overflow, so he got way too many calls, and I believe they are in a very big distance in between them, so I have to take care of one of the calls, so my freedom didn't last for too long. So right now I'm going to Hunter, which is 50, almost 50 miles away from here, an hour or so. My ETA is gonna be 4:46, so it's 3:40, so an hour or so. So I got a long driving ahead. Just look at my ticket and it says that the freezer is warm. So this place where I'm going is an old gas station, so I hope it's something simple like a dirty coil or something like that. I hope. So I believe I see you there. By the way, this is a Memorial Day weekend. Just stopped to get gas, and it's incredible the amount of people walking and driving around. I gotta believe that the roads are gonna be pretty much packed with people. It's crazy. Have to be careful. Spoke to the manager, and she said that the freezer has been warm, and now seems to be like it's not so bad, but of course we're gonna take a look at it anyways. It has been like this for a couple of days, so let's see what we got just in case. Temperature is -5. I see no ice on the evaporators. In the evaporator. Pretty clear. Both condenser fans are running. Let's take a look at the condenser coil. The equipment is very old.
may remember we had a service on this freezer before. The episode it was called of the freezer. Now you can see how it looks. Pretty bad. We're gonna try to clean it the best we can. It's not as bad as the last time, but it is bad. Okay, this is what we got today. Okay, I see light through. Hello. Hola, Papa. Yeah, Papi, I'm still working, Papa. Of course, I got stuff to do with my kids, and everything got canceled because of this. Just gonna get my gauges and have some pressure readings. Make sure that everything else is fine. Alrighty. My suction temperature is 17 pounds over 300 pounds of discharge pressure. The condenser coil is way cooler than before. Sorry. My thermometer is right here, it's reading 14 degrees. The one that they got over here is also reading 14, so we are pretty much okay. The thermometer over there is saying the truth. The freezer got 4 cycles of 30 minutes each of defrost per day. Okay, so right now my head pressure is dropping. It was 305, now we got in the 290s. Temperature is dropping under 10 degrees, 7 degrees right now. It is way much better than before. I got no bubbles in my side glass. They're pretty much alright. And also this machine got new door heaters. Alright. Sorry I couldn't talk because I got people around me. You know, the manager was there eating right next to me. Yes, he was sitting, she got a little table and she was having dinner, I guess, so I feel kind of strange shooting a video like that. The freezer is working great. It was just again the condenser coil dirty. This is why it's so important to have a maintenance program. I don't think that these people has. So, you know, getting the condenser coil dirty generates an emergency call in overtime. It makes sense to have a maintenance program so we can keep the condenser coil clean
But if you don't do that, you create an emergency call, and of course it's gotta be in overtime. Most of the time it is. But anyways, the freezer is working all right. I just look at it one more time. It's a minus 10, minus 11, and the condenser coil is great, way cooler than before. So I'm gonna start driving home. I got an hour or so, another 50 miles back, and I didn't have in my plans to be working tonight because I'm not on call. I'm the backup, but it's not very often that the backup is pulled to take an emergency service, and it was the case today. So all the plans that I got with my kids and everything else has been canceled. So it is what it is, I guess. That's the nature of this life, you know. But well, anyways, I'm gonna be driving back home, and I'm gonna see how everything comes up together with this new perspective video I'm gonna use, and see how it looks like. I just want to give it a shot to something different instead to have it over here all the time. I just want to shoot in another angle and see how it works out. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. It was a very short video. It's more a pilot video to see how everything comes up together than a teaching video or a training video, or however you want to call it. But anyways, like always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you down the road.